We've got a lot of staff here. 8 staff work full-time hours. We are a youth centre, a connection centre. We have specialised support for substance misuse, support for young people living independently, and a children's centre. We work closely with other local agencies and liaise with some of the organisations which provide targeted services, such as youth offending, educational social workers and aftercare services.
The Maypole Centre is a council youth centre based on a housing estate on the southern edge of Birmingham. It's not like a traditional youth club where people come until they are too old. We aim to work towards specific outcomes with young people who live in the area. Our aim is to influence as many young people as possible by offering these programmes. Maybe 60% of young people on the estate, for example, have taken a 12-week programme in sexual health. They all know where the brook is. We have carried out research with the 400 young women who have attended our programmes. We have found a much higher use of barrier methods of contraception, a lower rate of sexual activity amongst under 16s, and a delay in undertaking first sex.
The programme involves electronic babies, role plays, frank discussions, visits to the brook, drama work with theatre performances and a residential.
I was involved in researching and setting up the initial work to introduce sexual health education to young men. We thought it was important for young men to learn to take responsibility and think about consequences.
We also run a C-card scheme where young people can access confidential services to get contraception.
The drugs programme works on a similar line to the sexual health programme. As in a lot of areas, there's quite a lot of drug use, such as cannabis and alcohol. We don't only educate, but provide help for people who want to try and manage their substance misuse.
Aquarius have secured support from Comic Relief to base a counsellor at Maypole. We are trying to find effective ways of helping people to deal with their own alcohol issues or of users in their families. We also develop educational programmes along with licensing enforcement activities with police and trading standards.
When you're feeling down, don't wanna be around. Keep your head up, don't look down. No matter how you feel. La 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 la.
As part of the programme, we use music and link it to dance to reinforce messages. Many of the tunes that are cut are immediately burnt and copied around the estate. It's a great tool for peer education.
I think the dance programme's good, enjoyable and you can make new friends and it's easy to learn.
I've had the opportunity to do things that I haven't done before. I've achieved a kayaking award through doing the water sports programme.
I've done things that I never thought I'd do before.
We also covered a lot of work around relationships.
I've gained new skills. It's been fun to do.
It's not just enough to be informed about sex and drugs, but people also need to feel good about themselves.